This is the FCU for the chiller system. It is a big capacity for the indoor unit. In this video, I am checking the installations of the FCU unit. So for the inspection of the FCUs, we have a lot of part to check, like we also check the PICV wire and the gate wire, the connections of the FCU and the flexible. We also check the drain pan. The drain pan, it has the slope, it has the levels properly or not. And we check the walls, the washers of the FCUs. It's working well. We check all the part of the material that we have approved. So make sure all the piping, the drain pipe are follow the space. It's not too long, and it has the air vent for releasing the water. It has a clean out that we can clean it if any stacking in the piping systems. So this is a very big project for the supermarket projects, and we need to check all the FCUs. This FCU is not just connected to the ducting system. We will connect it with the DAC when the tenants they approve the designs, the design of the tenants, because the tenant they need to design a nice decoration for this shop. And the first time we just install the main systems like the piping and the electrical, the plumbing system. For the tenant, when everything are complete and the tenant are moved in, they can connect it from our system and use it. We have team to check it. We check all the part. We also check the electrical part, the mechanical parts, the plumbing. After checking, after complete installation inspections, and then we go to the testing step. But right now we not yet do the testing because the installation is under inspections now. We are really concerned about the piping installations. We concerned about the flushing work. All the piping needs to flushing before operating the system, because during the installations the welding this piping, so the something that's stuck in the pipe, and so we need to do the flushing to remove all the dust or all the rusty inside of the pipes. For the inspection, we are have the form and have the standard methods that we have approved, and then we check and to find out this is complies to what we have approved for the installations. We check the level. We also check the spec of the machines, the level of the machine installation, the location of CP box, the welding connects, the welding of the chiller's pipings. We need to check properly for the supporting of the piping and of the FCU. And we also need to check about the remote location. Remote locations must be follow the approval shop's drawings.